Please forgive me. I know I turned into my grandfather when I wrote this, but when did we stop believing we could do hard things? Think about it all the time. Generation X, if you met someone, you look them in the eye, shook them in the hand, not one of those tiny little, a real freaking handshake. You stood up straight, you kept your freaking word. If you got knocked down, you got back up. Drank from water fountains. That's the most ridiculous thing ever. Your parents made you stay out till the street lights came on. And sometimes you got into a fist fight. You dusted yourself off, you shook hands with your opponent, and your buddies again. Nobody told us life was supposed to be easy. It was hard. Somehow, we made it through. Let me ask you something. When did we become so afraid? Afraid to change? Afraid to fail? To start over? Walk into a damn gym? Apply for a better job? Leave a shitty relationship? Afraid to say, I need some help. Afraid to believe that you can become a totally different person. Don't misunderstand me. I'm so grateful for modern medicine, and I'm on 3 pills. I need it now. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing. But medication cannot replace discipline. Can't replace your personal responsibility. Cannot take a walk or cook a healthier meal for you. Cannot apologize, save money. It can't rebuild your marriage, man. Cannot redo your life. Only you can do that. Here's what I've learned after completely rebuilding my life. You don't change everything in one day. You don't lose 100 pounds in a week. You don't get sober in one day. And you sure as hell don't replace your retirement in one day. You can't heal your heart just one time. One meal, one walk, one talk with somebody you care about, one day sober, one day without giving up. And then you wake up tomorrow and you do it again. That's how lives change. Not through magic, motivation, consistency, true accountability. Generation X, millennials, baby boomers. It doesn't matter what generation you are. Every single one of us has the ability to do hard things. The question is, will you? If you've been waiting for the perfect time, there's your sign. Take a step. Take another. A year from now, you'll look back and go, those tiny little first steps changed my entire life. And if you're tired of trying it, do it yourself. That's why I coach people. Sometimes you don't need somebody to rescue us. You need someone to remind us we're capable of far more than you believe. If you're ready to start over, type I'm in so I can see you walking with me. Send me a DM. I'd love to hear your story. Maybe I can help you. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.